Hey guys, welcome to the channel Coding Angel and also to the part 5 of the series SQL query interview questions. So where we stopped in the previous video, we just have seen how to print the specific rows which contains your specific required key letter. Okay, now I am going to perform the query very much similar like that, but in that query I am going to select the name of the departments which are going to add at my particular required letter and which are ending at the particular required letter. So I just taking the here S, letter S. So those rows in my following query, those rows will be printed in which that are ending at the S. From table students, where in the color department I have told you that if I use a percentage sign before the required letter, that means it is starting from that letter, and if I use the percentage sign after that letter, that means it is starting, and if I use the percentage sign before the letter, that means it is ending at that letter. So just see what happens here. S. Now you can see that only electronics department is ending at the S. So I just write here. So it is printed here. So moving on to our next query. Whatever comes with the like keyword, these are called the wildcard. So I have told you about first wildcard, that is the percentage sign. So and another I'm going to tell you about the next wildcard, that is the underscore. And in the underscore you can see here you are only taking one required letter from the percentage sign. But if I use the underscore wildcard here, I can take here the multiple characters, and according to that multiple characters I will print that row that will contain that multiple characters. Select the column department, from students, where department like okay. Just wait, there is a syntax mistake. We will see it later. I don't know why it is showing like this. Now see, the department column I want to print what I want to print. I want to print letter letter O. Okay, I want to print those rows that contain the letter O, and also with the letter O contains at least how many elements are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I want to print that rows which will contain the letter O and at least contain 8 letters with the O, 8 random letters. So I just type here the 8 times. I type here underscore 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, and then I type O. Why it is showing like this? Let's start home. Okay, now again. What if I type here? Okay, just try something else. If I write here G 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 G. We just left this wildcard here. I don't know why it is showing like this. Just moving on to the between keyword. Okay, now if I see this, if you guys see this column, I want the rows from that would be between 3 and 6. So how can I do this? And I use here the two keywords between and between and between and 6. So now you can see here I have printed to the rows between 3 and 6 here. Now next we will see how we, in the previously created table, how we add a new column. So I just write here the keyword alter table, and the table alter table, and the table name students, and using the add keyword, add, and the column name would be age. It is giving me the syntax error. Just wait. Okay, now see, if I want to add a column in the table, just write here alter table, and then the table name students, and I just use another keyword add, and the column name would be age, and its type would be, as you know, age is the integer, is a number, so I suggested type here the integer. So it has created. If I see the table, select star from students, so it has created a new column named age. And what if I want to add values in that column? So I just write insert into, and the column age, and the values, it is giving me the error. Just wait. I open my ideally. So guys, where were we? We have added the 3 columns in our previously created database, and now we are adding the values in our previously created database. So just see, is there any values previously? I just okay. Now I want to add some more values here. I just use the syntax insert into the table name, and then I mention here the name of the columns in which I want to add the values, address, and now I'm going to change this number, and the address should be in a string, and values I have entered here. Now, okay, now we will see in the SQL queries how to use the science logical operators here. How to use the logical operators in the SQL queries, like greater than or equal to signs. So in the salary column we are seeing the salary 15,000 and 45,000. What if we limit the salary? What if we want the names of the persons from the tables whose salary are from more than 50,000? So okay, more than 50,000 will be those who have the salary more than 50,000 will, those names will be displayed in my following query. So what will I do here? And I also made that list in the new column by making a new column after merging these two columns and then displaying these two columns after merging in a new column. So this will revise our previously done queries little bit. What will we use? The keyword we use for merging is concat, and we are merging the columns first name, you remember the syntax, and the column last name as full name and salary. From the table students, and I am initiating the where clause. Where in the why it is not working? equal to 50,000 salary. Those have a more than or equal to 50,000 salary are displayed here, and the first name and last name columns I merged here and into a new column, full name, and it is also displaying here. So what if I don't want equal to 5,000 salary, just want greater than 5,000 salary? So it is also displaying here. And what if I want less than 5,000 salary? So they are also displaying here. So, and what if I want salary, just a specific salary, that is 45,000, so that is also displayed here. And okay, so that's enough for today's video. Till then, like, share and subscribe the video. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe, and also practice what you have done till yet. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.